This video is for the Hershuing 60 egg holder. It's kind of a compact egg container, and we used to have chickens, but as of now we don't. But this is great to store your eggs in there if you don't want to buy a bunch of containers. So what we'll do is just load these eggs in here. Now, one thing to say about this product is it definitely is compact. Hold your eggs well, but also these do fall out or slide out on their own. There is no lock to keep that tray in there. So I'm going to load these up really quick here. But it holds 60 eggs, so that's really good if you have a bunch of chickens and you're getting a lot of eggs during the every single day. So I'm going to load this up. I'm going to put it in the fridge and show you what it looks like in the fridge and how compact it is. And if you do go through a bunch of eggs, you get this as well, so you don't have a bunch of containers to worry about. We'll just slide this in here, just like this, and we'll put it right here. And now you're good to go every morning for making breakfast. You can just pull this whole tray out, put it right next to the oven, cook it up, put it back in.